So the first thing you should do, I'll be teaching you how you can. Today I'll be teaching you how you can image search on 1688 app. Please, this app, we noticed recently that the website developed a problem, or let me say, well, there was a bit development in the site that you can't longer use image search in 1688.com except you are using laptop. So if you are using phone, especially phone of lower resolution or screen size, you can't longer image search on 1688. But there's an alternative if you are using Android phone or Apple. What you have to do is you will download the app. I have done a video of how to download the app already. So next thing is I will open the app. Now I will click on the camera icon. Okay, let me do something here. I'll click on the camera icon. You are seeing this, right? That camera icon, I have to click on it, or photo icon rather. I'll click on it. Then it will take me to something like this. Then I'll click here. Then I'll click here. I'll now click on this. That's it. I'll click on it now. So it's loading my gallery. I now go down. I go down to look for what I want to search. So there is an image someone sent to me in my training academy. In case you don't know, I run a training academy, importation training academy. So you can comment for more info about it. So now I tap on the image. It started scanning. You can see now it's scanning, right? So give it some time. You are seeing all the products now displayed. It's now displayed. You can now search for the one you like. You can see with the image search, I was able to find the product in 1688 app, not website, app. So this means if you see something you like and you don't know the name, or details, maybe you see a particular shoe you like, there are many shoes, so you can't just type shoe. You just bring the image, upload it